Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change skin tone of emoji on your Snapchat. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the gear button to open settings. Now, scroll until you can see manage under additional services. After that, tap on the emoji skin tone option. Now, select the skin tone you want. And that's it. This is how you can change the emoji skin tone on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.